the new Koenigsegg Sadair Spear. With increased power, reduced weight, a track-focused interior, upgraded brakes and suspension, and finely tuned aerodynamics, Sadair's Spear delivers an extraordinary combination of blistering track capability and full road legality across global markets, and sets a new bar in Koenigsegg's performance evolution, a name rooted in heritage. The inspiration behind the name Sadair Spear is deeply personal. Christian von Koenigsegg previously honoured his father, Jesko, on his 80th birthday by naming the Koenigsegg Jesko after him, a heartfelt tribute for his invaluable support during Koenigsegg's formative years. Jesko von Koenigsegg was a passionate gentleman jockey with lifelong ties to Sweden's equestrian community. His favourite racehorse, the one he rode in his final race in 1976, was named Sadair Spear, and that's where the car gets its name. Fittingly, the car bearing this storied name is uncompromisingly engineered for peak track performance. Performance highlights: a new lightweight, top-mounted, double-blade active rear wing optimized for increased downforce. Elongated rear end design to enhance aerodynamic efficiency and stability. Expanded front canards, louvres, and re-engineered hood vents, including a new gantry flap, delivering superior cooling for sustained high performance. Redesigned air intakes for enhanced engine breathability, adding 20 horsepower with standard fuel and 25 horsepower using E85. Improved oil cooling capability, essential for sustained track driving in high temperature conditions. Exclusive Sadair Spear 7-spoke turbine blade air core carbon fibre wheels with unique directional designs at each corner. Upgraded wider track-orientated tyres for exceptional grip. Bespoke suspension setup featuring lightweight springs and Koenigsegg-designed triplex dampers for superior track handling. Enhanced multi-layered carbon ceramic brakes with upgraded pad materials. Bespoke interior styling exclusive to Sadair Spear. Unique Sadair Spear's racing seats with optional 6-point harness. Aerodynamics, mastery of airflow. Unmatched aerodynamic performance. Koenigsegg's advanced CFD team meticulously optimized airflow, ensuring unprecedented downforce and cooling. The active top-mounted double-blade rear wing is carefully crafted for maximum cornering traction at track speeds, working in harmony with refined underfloor strakes and wheel arch louvres. Balancing this rear downforce, the front end Aero package includes larger canards, enhanced hood vents, and refined wheel arch louvres. This further increases cooling efficiency and downforce. Together with the front triplex damper and active ride height system, these enhancements deliver extraordinary steering feedback and dynamic handling. Specially designed rear hood scoops further boost engine performance at high speeds, while the revised front hood vent with integrated gantry flap ensures optimum cooling airflow, providing additional downforce in critical areas. Drivetrain, exhilarating power redefined. Powering Sadair Spear is Koenigsegg's formidable twin-turbo V8 engine, delivering astonishing responsiveness via the revolutionary flywheel free light speed transmission (LST), capable of revving at a staggering 46,000 RPMs. Enhanced airflow and cooling, coupled with an engine calibration update, increase output to 1,300 horsepower on regular unleaded fuel and up to 1,625 horsepower using eco-friendly E85 fuel, celebrating a decade since the groundbreaking Koenigsegg 1-of-1 Sadair Spear pushes the power to weight boundary even further, dropping around 35 kilograms of weight to achieve an extraordinary ratio, even surpassing the iconic 1-to-1 benchmark. Koenigsegg continues its unmatched legacy as the world's only premier manufacturer of fully homologated road vehicles exceeding a 1-to-1 power-to-weight ratio. Interior minimalism meets performance. Inside the cockpit of the Sadair Spear showcases a lightweight, minimalist center console and redesigned carbon fiber seats. Standard 3-point seatbelts can be optionally upgraded to a 6-point racing harness. True to its track-orientated philosophy, gear changes via the light-speed transmission are executed solely through steering wheel-mounted paddles. Weight reduction continues through the exterior, saving 2.6 kilograms through reduced sound insulation, another 1.3 kilograms with new carbon fiber techniques, and further contributions from lightweight interior and mechanical components, collectively shedding 35 kilograms. Koenigsegg's hallmark comfort and advanced features remain the steering-mounted smart cluster display, smart-centered command interface, USB connectivity, inductive phone charging, Koenigsegg's innovative auto skin system, and bird's eye parking assist, a testament to performance. The final creation is both visually captivating and mechanically groundbreaking, expertly balanced to dominate on roads and circuits alike. During initial shakedown tests at Gotland Ring, Sadair Spear immediately shattered the previous lap record set by the Jesko Attack by an impressive 1.1 seconds, demonstrating its immense untapped potential. Christian von Koenigsegg states, "Sadair Spear represents a natural progression for Koenigsegg, an impeccable balance of raw power, redefined aerodynamics, and extraordinary road presence. This car is destined to set records. Achieving such track dominance in a fully road-legal vehicle is nothing short of remarkable." Sadair Spear, with production strictly limited to 30 units, all instantly sold upon its private unveiling. It's an iconic addition to Koenigsegg's storied legacy. Founded in 1994 by Christian von Koenigsegg, Koenigsegg Automotive AB is a world leader in engineering and manufacturing of ultimate performance megacars and cutting-edge mobility technologies. The company is based in Ängelholm in the south of Sweden and has around 800 employees. The Sadair Spear is an iconic addition to the storied Koenigsegg legacy. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe and we'll see you in the next one.